Yeah, my name is Engineer Ade Williams. I'm the Chairman and CEO of Ultim8 Auto Centre. We are the one-stop shop for anything autos. We're here to deliver good services. These are special services that are to be rendered, and we are bringing something new on board. And we hope people are going to subscribe to our new auto solutions within the country, as a country, And this company has been in existence for over 10 years, but we are taking it to another level in which we want to accommodate every necessary things that within the automobile industry, from services to spraying to electricals to alignment balancing to even down to car wash. We have everything in package at Ultim8 Auto Centre. So everybody is here welcome, and I here welcome people to new and office which is based in Ikeja here, and it is very, very accessible to anybody. Thank you very much.